Welcome.
And this is a room tour of Leuchars' property. We start from the dining hall.
We have a fireplace and a sofa, a center table with a lot of space on it. The home is dirty right now because they all are moving out. And this is the kitchen. And kitchen and the dining room is together. This is the kitchen. We have a fridge, oven, and a washing machine with clothes in it, and a storeroom. And from here you can see a beautiful garden.
You sure it's beautiful?
It's not very beautiful. Then we have stairs, 2 rooms and 2 bathrooms, a toilet and bathtub. And then we have room 1 and room 2. Bam, bam, bam. And you have a chair, and you can also make this. And another drawer. And you have a heater as well.
Room 3. What's this room for?
This is a storeroom, and we have a clothes dryer here and a vacuum cleaner as well.